Cookie friends, welcome back to Lights Camera Cookies. Thank you so much for being here with us today. In case you are new to this channel, my name is Larissa and this is my good friend.
Hey.
And we like to make cookie decorating videos, show you how to make a cookie, and then talk about the topic of the cookie afterwards.
Yes.
And today's video is gonna be a Disney topic again. And this is going to be about the cutest thing in the entire world, a Disney macaron.
Oh, look at him!
So we're gonna get right in to show you how this cookie's made and then talk all about it after. Here we go.
Yes!
Okay, so the first thing to note here is that I used a hamburger cookie cutter and I hand cut a bow and ears, and that is how I got this shape. So I want to start out by, outlining with my glaze icing that middle of what the macaron will be. So I outlined that and then I flooded it and smoothed that out with the Scribe Tool. I let it dry for a few minutes and came in with my pink, and I actually didn't touch the pink to the white because I was afraid it was going to, the color was going to bleed. Same thing with this black against the pink. Turns out the color did bleed, and you'll see that in a little bit. I think it was just a little bit too humid where I was decorating these cookies. So that's something to keep in mind. The humidity of your space may really affect how your cookie colors, how they work. So I filled in the pink of the bottom of the macaron, and I'm going to fill in the top. And this was a really good consistency glaze I used. It wasn't too runny or too thick. It was just perfect, actually. So that tool is called a Scribe Tool, and you use that to push the icing to the end of your flood line that you first made on the cookie. And it also helps to pop bubbles and to smooth it out. So I'm going to come in here with my black. I always try to give this tip about black. You never want to dye your black icing too dark. Always make it a little bit lighter, almost like a gray, and overnight that black will develop and become a little bit darker so you don't oversaturate your colors. So then I outlined a bow on top and I filled that in. And the same thing goes for red. You don't have to oversaturate your red. Another helpful tip there. And then I wanted to put in my little face. How cute. So I first just sketched it with my edible food safe markers, then I went right over that with my black glaze icing. And this little macaron has little yellow cheeks, and this is the fun part. So once everything dried completely, I just, put on some extra glaze there, let it crust over for about 5 minutes, and came back in with a paintbrush, and I pat it down, and now it looks like that really iconic shape and texture that a macaron actually has. And there is our finished cookie with the pin. You guys, is there anything cuter than this here cookie?
Oh, that was sweet!
I don't think so. So sweet.
Yeah.
So sweet. So this, if you remember from last vlog, I think it was, we did the hamburger.
Oh,
and
yeah.
Remember that this was actually this
you had to pull them out of the
this
pinball.
macaron was part of a pin set that Hank had gotten me for Christmas. So it came with a macaron, the cutest little pizza.
Did you get your other ones?
The hamburger. I'll put a picture of this set. So cute. And we actually did a compilation video of all of these, so go ahead and check that out.
Yeah. Wait, did you get your other ones out of the pin book?
I did.
That was like your first pin.
You guys, I've mentioned this a few times. Me and Hank, huge Disney dorks, huge Disney dork pin collectors, and we're just dorks in general. So, all the way back in 2016, I went to Disney with Hank one time, and it was my first experience with pin trading.
Yeah, we were in Frontierland.
Yeah, and I was like, is this cool? Is this not cool? Like, what is the pin?
Listen, you saw that pin board and your eyes lit up, and then you saw her. Show her.
Okay, all right. This is what got me.
Just show the one that got you.
This is what got me.
That's the one. Oh, does that take me back?
I saw
Hey, Mickey.
this little macaron pin, and I was like, I need all of them. So, like, I was like, is this a macaron?
That's a hamburger.
No.
That's a weird dyed, like, girly hamburger.
All right, let's be clear. Let's be clear about
that
something.
That wasn't a hamburger
Let's be clear. This is a hamburger, y'all.
What?
This is a macaron. Okay. All right, I see. A macaron kind of could look like a hamburger. I guess
like a girly slider.
It's really 2 cookies sandwiching whatever the filling is. So let's go through this, Hank. Let's clear this up. There's 2 things out there. There's something called a macaron, and there's something called a macaroon. And for the longest time, I thought they were both called macaroons. And it wasn't until recently I realized I was saying the wrong thing. 2 very distinct cookies, you guys. A macaron. Okay, a macaron is a French pastry, and it's made
They're here to decorate, not to have your food history class.
Well, you know what? Don't be like me and call it call everything a macaroon. So actually, these are a French pastry, and they're made from almonds. And when they bake, you know,
is that an almond burger?
No. When they bake, like, so they rise, and it's like an eggshell crust. And then if you were to eat it, it has like the texture of a meringue. So like hard, crunchy outside, chewy, ooey gooey, you know, center. So what you do is you take these 2 pastries, right? And then you put either ganache or a cream or a jam, and you sandwich it, and it is.
Can't press it down too hard.
No, because it would break. They're so delicate. They're so beautiful. You guys, I love them so much. Then there's a macaroon is actually made of coconuts. Coconut. They're sweet. They're dense.
Coconut.
They're chewy gooey. I don't like coconuts, and you guys, I've got really sad news. I am now allergic to almonds. I'm allergic to all nuts but peanuts.
All nuts except me.
I'm not allergic to him. So yeah, I can't help you
Please don't get allergic to me.
I will not get allergic to you, and peanuts are the only nuts that I can still tolerate.
Oh, that's weird. Isn't peanut like the allergy nut?
Yeah, but here I am allergic to everything else but a peanut.
Even Nutella?
Even Nutella, hazelnuts, out of the question.
What a sad world.
I know, but that's something that Disney's really good at, dealing with allergies. Very allergy friendly, so thank you, Disney. But yeah, that's what started my whole craze with Disney pins, were these macarons. So I'm wearing
the
blue one. Yeah.
You have pins of those.
Yeah.
Where's the other one?
What other one?
The coconut. What does that one look like?
Oh, I don't have a pin of the macaroon.
Oh, well, what is it?
So I'm gonna actually pop a picture up here. And this is an example from Disneyland. So they have
Disneyland!
They have something called the Matterhorn macaroon.
Yes, we saw about that.
Yeah, it looks delicious if you like.
Oh, that's got all the powder on it?
Coconut. Yeah, it's like a little mountain of macaroon. It's a
mountain. Matterhorn
It looks
mountain.
really good, but it's just not for me. Let me know if you've ever tried it.
If we get there. Do you think we'll get there?
I hope we get there.
Can we put it under a business expense?
Ooh, nah.
Yeah, it's for our study.
Not
We're
really.
gonna have cookies.
Not really, Hank.
Come on, please.
Sorry.
Please. Please
maybe...
comment if we should go to Disneyland. Please send me to Disneyland.
He really wants to go. So yeah, that is our macaron story. Let me know. Did you know the difference between a macaroon and a macaron? Number 1. Number 2, do you like them? Have you had them in Disney?
Now they're just getting like fancy cookies.
And my second thing is guys, do you collect Disney pins? Please tell me you collect Disney pins, because I want to talk to you about Disney pins.
Where can you get those in Disney World?
Where can I get what, these pins?
No, the food.
Oh, well, I think...
We talked about that it was like...
I think the best place to get them would probably be in the French Pavilion.
Oh, of course.
Don't even
get the best food.
Don't even ask me how to pronounce it, because...
You're going to put it up on the screen. Wait. We're going to do it the smart way.
There you go. Pronounce it at your own risk.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to ruin that one. But yeah, I would say get them there. So yeah, that's our macaron story.
Oh.
Love the macarons. Love the pins. I don't know. I love Disney desserts. Oh, speaking of Disney desserts.
Oh, you show them.
Look at my bracelet.
Look at my bracelet.
It's so cute.
You've got tons of snack stuff.
So yeah, this bracelet
is... You got bracelets.
Disney Bauble Bar. And
yeah, look at it.
I'll take a picture of this, but it's got popcorn, a Disney donut, a Disney cupcake, a Disney Mickey bar. Really cute. Love snacks. Love all this. Love you guys. Thank you so much for being here with us today.
Yes! Don't forget.
What?
To like.
Oh, don't forget
Subscribe.
to like, comment, subscribe, hit the for notifications. We want to hear from you guys and really grow this community and have a lot of fun. So thank you guys so much for being here. And we will see you next time.
Next time, get to look at our pins. Yay! Where would you even get those?
Oh, so these are actually called hidden Mickeys.
No, not those.
What?
We'll talk pins some other time.
Well, really quick.
Talking food!
But these are called hidden
You're doing it again!
Hank.
Now we're all over the place.
Shut it. And a blue.
Oh.
And these you can
You're wearing the blue!
Yeah, you can only...
How come I'm not wearing the blue?
Well, I was wearing the blue because of you.
I should wear the blue.
Best bud. That is cute. That is cute.
No, wait.
Little fuzzy.
Oh,
the
yeah.
other one, and it's
You're
a macaroon.
stealing history.
But this should be like
You're
something everyone
sharing
knows.
history. I
So
get it.
let me back up.
Wait, throw up the picture.
What's the picture of?
Well, to show people the difference.
Oh,